Let me teach you how to make multi-purpose liquid soap that can be used to wash your clothes, plates, in fact anything at all. So what I have here is rice, SLS, they call it rice, 250 gram. Okay, when you get to the market, make sure you buy the correct one. The second one is sodium sulfate. Yes. So, and I'm doing it in 5 liters. Okay, yes, 5 liters of liquid soap. Now I already mixed the SLS in small quantity of water from the 5 liters that I've already brought out. Okay, so now the other part is the sodium sulfate. I'm measuring it as well. So that cup is 250 grams, so I'm going to measure out 50 gram. Okay, so I've done that. I don't want this video to be too long. Now I mix thoroughly. Make sure you mix thoroughly. Now you want to combine. Before this process, make sure that you leave it for some minutes, both of them for some minutes, then you mix together. I don't want this video to be long. Now after that process, you leave it for 24 hours. This video is the second day. Okay, this part here is the second day. And now look at my mixture. Isn't this amazing? Look at how clear it is, just with 2 chemicals, and it's very, very, in fact it is active, it's foamy. So the other part here I did add colors. The other one, there's a blue light color. You can see, I'm sure you are seeing it right now. So wait, because I want you to see the results of it. I want to know if it will foam or not. Yes, look at it. Now back to my practical. So are you watching this video? Make sure you are watching it. Please subscribe to my channels. Okay, I'll be teaching you how to take in your liquid soap if it's watery. So you can see how foamy it is. We give this a try, but there are times that you may not have much, so just do something at least to help yourself. This economy is not friendly. It's not smiling at all. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channels. Bye.